powerful earthquake in Indonesia has killed at least 35 people and injured hundreds more. The quake struck at night on the island of Sulawesi, claiming lives and damaging many buildings in and around the capital district. Now, authorities fear more people could be buried in the rubble, and they're warning that strong aftershocks could also trigger a tsunami.
Nah, gempa dahsyat Indonesia telah menewaskan setidaknya 35 orang dan melukai ratusan lainnya. Pada malam hari di Pulau Sulawesi, tepatnya di kota Mamuju, antara kota Mamuju dan Mamajene, banyak bangunan di dalam dan sekitar ibu kota rusak. Sekarang pihak berwenang khawatir lebih banyak orang yang terkubur di reruntuhan dan mereka memperingatkan bahwa gempa susulan yang kuat juga dapat memicu terjadinya tsunami.
Also trigger a tsunami.
Siapa nama tadi? Siapa itu di sebelah tak?
Trapped under the rubble, this person tells rescue workers she can barely hear the woman next to her breathing.
Masih mungkin minum, Dek? Rawat 2 orang.
Terjebak di bawah puing-puing, orang ini memberitahu petugas penyelamat bahwa dia hampir tidak bisa bernapas dan seorang anak kecil wanita di sebelahnya juga terdengar seperti kesulitan bernapas.
2 orang perawat.
The powerful quake struck just after midnight, causing many to flee in the darkness.
Gempa kuat yang melanda tepat tengah malam menyebabkan banyak orang yang melarikan diri pada kegelapan itu.
In the morning, those left in the hardest hit city of Mamuju woke up to scenes like these. This is what was left of the local hospital, where a rescue operation is now underway.
Di pagi hari, mereka yang tertinggal di kota pinggiran Mamuju bisa melihat pemandangan yang seperti ini. Nah, inilah yang tersisa dari rumah sakit setempat di mana operasi penyelamatan ini sedang berlangsung. Nah, seperti yang Anda lihat di belakang, ini adalah rumah sakit.
Underway. As you can see behind me, from this hospital, we have retrieved 2 dead victims. We are still trying to find more victims in the rubble, but we don't know yet if they are still alive or not.
Seperti yang Anda lihat di belakang saya, di sini ada sebuah ekskavator yang sedang mencari puing-puing. Dan saat ini baru ditemukan 2 orang, tapi kedepannya tidak tahu apakah masih ada yang hidup atau tidak.
Some people have been recovered from the debris, but it's a vast operation. As many as half the buildings in Mamuju city have either collapsed or are partially damaged, and there are fears that strong aftershocks are still to come.
Gempa-gempa susulan.
Nah, seperti yang Anda lihat tadi, beberapa orang sudah disembuhkan, tetapi operasi tersebut tetap berjalan dikarenakan sebagian dan banyak bangunan telah rusak yang sulit untuk mencari sisa-sisa dari korban.
Strong aftershocks are still to come. Aftershocks are still happening.
Kami menganalisis.
According to our analysis from local data that we'd recorded, as well as historical data, we believe there's still potential for more strong aftershocks.
Kami menganalisis.
Berdasarkan hasil dari BMKG, mereka mempercayai bahwa kedepannya masih akan terjadi namanya gempa susulan, dan kemungkinan gempa tersebut adalah gempa yang besar.
Just like what happened at midnight.
Adanya gempa susulan yang cukup kuat seperti dini hari tadi.
For now, many fearing the aftershocks are choosing to stay on high ground, wondering if they'll have homes to go back to.
From Jakarta, I'm joined now by DW.
Nah, saat ini banyak penduduk yang mengungsi di pegunungan yang tinggi, sehingga mereka bisa menghindari jika ada terjadi tsunami ke depannya.
We'll have homes to go back to.
From Jakarta, I'm joined now by DW.
We'll have homes to go back to.
From Jakarta, I'm joined now by DW correspondent Priyadarni Tuapurba. Thank you so much for joining us. What is the latest right now?
Yes, Sarah, it is certainly one of the most challenging times here in Indonesia because we're still in the middle of a plane crash investigation, and now we are facing a massive earthquake in the
Nah, saat ini Indonesia dalam keadaan darurat dikarenakan di saat yang bersamaan sebelumnya sudah terjadi kecelakaan pesawat Sriwijaya, dan saat ini kita menghadapi
in the eastern part of Indonesia. So what can I say to you right now is the rescue team is still carrying out the rescue operation to find survivors and people who are trapped under the rubble. And there are two worst affected locations in that area, which is Majene district and Mamuju district. And in these two locations, at least 34 people died because of this earthquake. So the rescue team has also faced a little bit of obstacles because there was also rain in there and the electricity is still out and the communication cellular is still also unstable. So the rescue team is still do their job to really find the survivors as soon as possible.
Yeah, and we're looking.
Nah, saat ini pemerintah sudah berpartisipasi untuk membantu terjadinya gempa susulan ini. Nah, bagi orang-orang yang selamat diharapkan untuk segera membantu mencari sisa-sisa orang yang terkubur di reruntuhan. Nah, di Kabupaten Majene dan Mamuju ini, disinilah tempat yang terjadinya gempa ini. Nah, di mana saat ini baru 4 orang yang ditemukan tewas, dan selanjutnya akan terus dilakukan yang pencarian menggunakan eskavator yang telah diberikan.
As soon as possible.
Yeah, and we're looking, as you've mentioned, that the rain that has been an issue, a challenge for authorities as they try and move in there for rescue workers. There's also the fear of aftershocks as well. Given all of those factors, how are the rescue operations taking place?
Nah, dikarenakan kesulitan yang terjadi saat ini karena tanah yang ditempati itu berlumpur dan terjadi hujan akan membuat kesulitan para pekerja untuk mencari sisa-sisa korban yang terkubur di dalam puing-puing.
Yes, sure. The head of the Meteorological and Geophysics Agency here in Indonesia in a news conference has told us that aftershocks is still potentially happening and it could lead to a tsunami. So she urged the people to really stay away from areas that has a lot of buildings and structures that are easily collapsed, and also to stay away from the coastal area to go to the higher ground. But still, up until now, the rescue operation is still do their job to really find victims and also survivors which are trapped under the rubbles, because as being reported, dozens of houses are destroyed. Even the office of the governor himself is also destroyed at this massive earthquake. Sarah.
Thank you.
Nah, saat ini pemerintah mengatakan berdasarkan BMKG saat ini kemungkinan akan terjadinya gempa susulan itu bisa memicu terjadinya lebih banyak reruntuhan. Nah, pengungsi dan orang-orang yang selamat diharapkan segera menjauh dari tempat tersebut agar tidak terkena yang namanya reruntuhan. Nah, saat ini operasi terus berjalan dan mereka terus mengerahkan banyak eskavator dan bulldozer untuk mencari sisa-sisa korban.
Thank you so much, DW. Thank you so much, DW's Prihardani Tuapura, reporting from Jakarta on this earthquake in Indonesia. We appreciate it.
Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.